Are you thinking of coming to Panama in the near future and you want to apply for a visa? Well, in this video, we're going to get into how you can do that and whether or not you can do it online. I'm currently in Villa Argentina in one of many co-working spaces in Panama. Here you have access to some really good Wi-Fi and internet, and if you have a remote business or you are a digital nomad, for example, it's a great place for you to come and work. If you want to know more about this, let's get into the video. How can I apply for a Panama Visa online? Applying for a Panama Visa online can seem like a daunting task due to the intricate internal processes required by the Panamanian authorities. This comprehensive guide will walk you through each step. The phrase Panama Visa Online often brings a mix of hope and frustration to potential applicants. While the digital era promises ease and accessibility, the reality of applying for a Panama Visa online is far from straightforward. The Panamanian government mandates several in-person procedures, making it impossible to complete the application process entirely online. The requirement is primarily due to the need for physical verification of documents and the applicant's identity, a common practice in international visa processing to prevent fraud and ensure national security. Is it possible to apply? The online phase allows you to fill out certain forms, submit certain documents, and make appointments. However, the final steps, including interviews and biometric data submission, require your physical presence in Panama. Documents that you can process online before coming to Panama. Before setting foot in Panama, expats can commence the preparation of several key documents from their home country. This preparation is crucial for a smoother transition and legal process upon arrival in Panama. FBI and authentication. For US citizens, obtaining an FBI background check is a pivotal first step. This document must be apostilled or authenticated, a process that can be initiated online but often requires mailing the physical document to the appropriate authorities or the Panamanian Embassy in the United States. We have a guide on how to get it, and we'll leave this in the description for you down below. Retirement documentation. If you're applying as a retiree, Panama requires proof of your retirement income. This includes an official letter or document that certifies the amount of $1,000 at least and duration of your retirement benefits. This document too needs to be apostilled or authenticated. Facing immigration questions or business legalities, our lawyers are here to help you. We make it easy to get the legal advice you need when you need it. Health and legal clearances. A medical certificate proving you are healthy and free from communicable diseases is mandatory. Additionally, a police clearance certificate from your home country or any country where you've lived for more than 2 years in the last 5 years is required. Canadians, for example, need to provide authenticated documents from both their local police and the Royal Canadian Mounted Police. We have a video talking about these documents in more detail here. Whilst these documents can be processed online, to some extent, their final approval and authentication often needs in-person submission or verification, particularly in countries with stringent document fraud prevention measures. Opening a bank account in Panama online. Opening a bank account in Panama from abroad is a challenging endeavour. Whilst some initial steps can be completed online, such as filling out application forms and providing digital copies of your documents, the process usually requires a personal visit to the bank in Panama. This visit is essential for identity verification and to complete the necessary paperwork. Moreover, if you're planning to use the account for business purposes, choosing the right type of bank account is crucial to avoid potential legal and financial issues, such as frozen accounts or compliance complications. Consulting an attorney banking expert. It's strongly recommended to seek advice from a lawyer expert familiar with Panamanian banking laws and regulations, especially for foreigners. This guidance can be invaluable in navigating the complexities of the banking system and ensuring that you meet all legal requirements. If you're already in Panama, consulting with an attorney expert can provide insights into how to open a personal bank account successfully. Now that you've made it to the end of this video, you can make the decision on whether or not you want to apply for a Panamanian visa or a Panamanian bank account. I've hoped you enjoyed this video and that you've learned something new. Thank you and goodbye.